of the things I had to do was check the inverters and make sure it was working properly, and check the batteries. He drove it here about an hour drive, so as it's running, it's charging the batteries. And when he got here, we talked about several things that we needed to get done. And then I plugged it in and also let the batteries get a good charge, and then unplugged them. And roughly 20 minutes later, the battery voltage was at 12.5. I turned the lights on and everything, and it dropped down to 12.4. Now right now I have nothing turned on power-wise, and my battery voltage is 12.41. Now he has these two batteries, and he also has two more in here as well. He has two more. Both of them, all four of these batteries are 6-volt golf cart batteries. And all four of them only holding 12.5. That's not good. This battery has been replaced. This is the chassis battery, and these are the house batteries. So I talked to him, and we picked up 4 golf cart batteries, 210 amp hours each. So we're going to have a total of 420 amp hours. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all 4 of them in and check everything. I already do know that this inverter is bad, and this is bad as well. I guess these had went bad, and then they installed this one in 2010 by what the maintenance records said. So this has been in here. This is a Xantrex Freedom 458. It's an inverter charger. I'll link this in the description below if anybody's interested in this. They're I'm assuming they're around $1,000 for these. Real good units, real good heavy duty units. But when you got batteries that doesn't have the proper power and capacity, this doesn't run long. And he talked about some of the outlets inside didn't work. It was a breaker that was tripped. I flipped the breaker, got some of that stuff working. So we're going to get in and install these batteries, pull these inverters out, and disconnect the wires. Later on, he's thinking about adding solar, and this space right here could be valuable to mount stuff for solar. Got plenty of space in here, so we'll be able to mount the solar stuff in here and keep it separated from everything. So that's going to eliminate these plugs here by eliminating these 2 things here. This one I got to figure out what it goes to. I've not been able to figure it out yet. It's one of those magical wires. But as you can see, the voltage on the is 12.42. And like I said, there's nothing on in the coach, no lights, nothing. So I'm going to get in and get these batteries changed and get these inverters and stuff out of here and clean up this here just a little bit. Alright, I have all 4 of the batteries installed now and hooked up. And 12.86. It's a lot better. No load on anything. Turn the inverter on. Alright, inverter's on. And as you can tell, 12.83 now. It's a lot better. We know the inverter's working. Power is on there. So now I have the batteries taken care of. I'm going to go ahead and pull this other stuff here out. It doesn't work. It's taking up space. It's dead weight. So we're going to unhook everything, unhook all the wires from where they go. That way we don't have them in here and don't have to worry about them now. So I'm going to get that done, and I'll kind of show you how clean that looks when I get it all finished up. Hopefully I can get it done before it rains. It's supposed to start raining, and it's supposed to be raining here in the morning. So let me get in and get this taken care of and show you what I got. Okay, as you can tell, I got it cleaned up in here. I got the inverter that didn't work out. Everything disconnected from it. The converter charger that didn't work, I got it, everything disconnected and removed. I believe this wire goes to an engine heater. I'll have to look up, try to find out. It pulls about 25-30 watts. So that may be for an engine heater. Nothing else seemed to work, but I believe that's what that is, an engine heater. But I got it all cleaned up. That way later on, if he wants to get solar installed, he's got room to mount stuff and keep stuff short. That way it's not carrying over everything else. And the only thing left that I'm going to do is he had a cover here that covers that up. It wasn't on there, but I'm going to put it back in because it protects everything. That way you don't put anything in here, set it on top of this, and short this stuff out. With these batteries hooked up, and you go to short something out, it's going to make a fireworks show. Now that it's all done, all the wires are zip tied up, everything's clean and tidied up. I'm just going to put that cover on, and this will be completed. This just eliminates any problems you may have later with anything in here, plus it opens up for future installation of solar or anything else that he may want to put in here. He's got room for it now. Questions, comments, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, questions or comments, please like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Questions or comments, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And I will see you all in the next video.